right, so this stuff, Pulidiki. I have no idea what the hell the name is. Universal Dust Cleaner. It's made in China. So anyway, this is this like Play-Doh stuff, and supposedly it's supposed to get your dashboard and everything clean. So mine's not too dirty, but I do have some stuff there. So we're going to try it out and see what we think. All right. All right. So first of all, we got to get it out of the thing. And this is weird looking stuff. It kind of conforms to the thing, right? So you got to get your finger in there. Look at it. It reminds me of The Blob, a movie with Steve McQueen when he first started his career, except for it's blue. So that's it right there. And now we're going to go ahead and try it out and see how it works. All right, so first thing, we get up here, and we just push it right on there. You know what? I'm not sold on it. Didn't really get red very much. Let's try over here with these big chunks. See that one there? Let's see if it gets it. Oh, that's not too bad. Let's see about up here. I mean, how about here? All right, there's a big piece of hair there. Let's see if he gets that. All right, you know what? I'm not sold on this stuff. I mean, I think it's yeah, it's $6. It's a scam. How do you get the stuff out of it? That's my question once you've picked it up. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff like this and see if it works. I don't think this stuff does. Peace out.